Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 again, coming to you with another thank you video. I just thanked all of our first responders and even our hospital staff. I also would like to thank all of our supply chain groups, our truckers, even our railroads for moving the cargo from coast to coast, and even our truckers moving it to our local stores. I would like to give every one of them a big shout out for helping us keeping the goods coming in of what we need, and also for the truckers to get our foods to the grocery stores and keeping the shelves replenished with goods for our families. And also want to give a big shout out to Amazon as well. For keeping their shelves stocked, and also their delivery drivers for running their routes and delivering our goods. Also, big shout out to UPS, Go UPS, and FedEx and the Postal Service for doing the same thing. I know friends at all of those places. I know guys who are truckers. I know guys who work for the railroad. I know guys that work for UPS. I don't know anybody who works for FedEx, but I even know a couple people that work for the Postal Service. And all of those jobs right now are extremely critical to move our mail, move our cargo, move our packages, and also moving freight long distances. Uh, I took supply chain class when I was in college, and let me tell you something: the supply chain is extremely critical in our economy. It creates a lot of jobs, and also is very crucial in medical crises like this. And I just would like to thank everybody for continuing to work through this pandemic. Uh, as many lives, as I said earlier, that many lives have been lost, but we are America strong, and we will continue to fight through this pandemic. So thank you to everybody who was associated with the supply chain to keep our goods um, coming to us, to our stores, for all the American citizens to purchase for their families. So thank you guys very much. I cannot say it enough. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope some of you are being touched by this, and I don't know if our supply chain workers are seeing this video now, but once again, thank you. Your job is crucial, and you guys are amazing people. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. I'm Engineer Pat 5290, and I will see you next time.